In modern warfare, danger often hides in plain sight.
U.S. Army convoys are trained to expect the unexpected.
Every mission begins with intelligence and route planning. Iraq's urban terrain creates unique combat challenges.
Civilians, vehicles, and threats share the same space.
Convoy commanders monitor every movement.
Sudden roadblocks can signal danger.
Rules of engagement guide every decision.
Urban ambushes happen fast and without warning.
Convoy spacing reduces damage during attacks. Urban cover is limited and unpredictable.
Convoy gunners provide overwatch.
When ground forces face danger, air power changes everything.
Apache helicopters dominate low-altitude combat zones.
Stealth allows pilots to strike without being seen. Modern bombers strike with pinpoint accuracy.
The future of air warfare is the B-21 Raider.
B-21 is designed for high-threat environments. Urban cover is limited and unpredictable.
Every rooftop is a potential danger. Drones extend the battlefield vision. Naval forces support land operations worldwide. Joint forces create unmatched global reach. Joint forces create unmatched global reach.
Air assault keeps enemies off balance.
Every domain matters. Land, air, sea, cyber.
Air dominance allows ground success.
Training ensures readiness at all times.
Future conflicts demand adaptability.
Modern soldiers rely on teamwork and tech.
Every system supports the mission.
Modern war is about protection and precision.
U.S. forces stand ready across all domains.
U.S. military power is built on professionalism.
This is modern American military power.